At least 1/3 of a person's entire life is spent in sleeping. These figures indicate that nearly 30% of the population suffer from poor quality sleep, most of which is caused by snoring. Lack of sleep can even lead to more serious health-related problems. Every day, about 3,000 people die of severe snoring around the world. As a result of snoring, one can suffer from oxygen deprivation that directly threatens his or her health. Lack of sufficiently oxygenated blood can lead to many serious medical conditions, such as hypertension and heart diseases. Moreover, snoring also makes the bed partner suffer even worse. Here comes a snoring killer, Tuwan Smart Anti-snoring Pad. Actually, snoring is caused by an obstruction in the airway of breath when sleeping. Whenever snores are detected by the Smart Anti-snoring Pad, the airbag under the pillow will be triggered to inflate slowly, so that the user's head on the pillow will be gently turned aside. This action effectively adjusts the user's sleeping position to correct snoring without disturbing the user's sleep. It feels like the user is sleeping in mom's arms that always take care of the user's sleep without snoring. Super easy to use. Simply place it under your pillow. The in-bed subunit of the product is completely free of charges or radiation. Therefore, it is safe and quiet. At the same time, its mobile app can monitor the pad with real-time feedback and records to the user and among every beloved one. The whole family's sleeping health is thus well managed. Tuwan Technology, an expert in sleeping respiration, a promise in high-quality sleep.